G'day cocktail lovers. This is a tequila drink with a difference. It caught my eye because of the rather different accompaniments to the tequila, stuff you don't normally get in tequila drinks, and I'm always up for an experiment. It's called the Jabroni, and I think the wrestling fans will get a reference there. I have to admit, when I looked it up, I found it a bit confusing which wrestler it was primarily associated with, because different people said different things. It's not a thing I'm into, but it's a Jabroni, and it's an absolutely fantastic color, and it was also a great excuse to use my sexy clear ice. Works really well in this. But the big thing, of course, besides the name and the look, is the taste. And I've got to dive in and see what this tastes like. Oh, this is good. Well, again, me personally, the stirred down boozy drinks, that's my number one go-to, and this is a great example of it. Also, I think I can taste the tequila, but it's not tequila heavy, so if tequila has always put you off, but you like drinks like a Manhattan, I think this might appeal to you. Here's how we make it. In a mixing glass, we put 1 ounce or 30 mils of blanco tequila, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of a bitter red aperitivo like Aperol, then 3/4 of an ounce, around 22.5 mils of sweet vermouth, and 1/4 of an ounce, around 7.5 mils of banana liqueur. Stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain it into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice, preferably sexy clear ice. And yes, I do love to really talk up the sexy clear ice and the fact that I found the easiest, cheapest, no fuss way to do it, and watch through to the end and there'll be a link to my easy to follow guide. Probably use stuff that you already have to do it. That's just a little hint, but you've got to go watch the video to find out this ultimate easy way to make really beautiful clear ice, because I think it really adds to the cocktail. I really like how it looks, and you see the cocktail before you taste it, and it adds to your anticipation. So little touches like clear ice can make a big difference. It does, of course, help if the drink is actually good. And this drink is pretty good. If you like bitter drinks, you could use Campari rather than Aperol level bitterness. I can't stand Campari myself, way too bitter, but you do you, do what works for you. Always do drinks that you enjoy, and I think you might enjoy this one, the Jabroni. Give it a go and let me know. Cheers.